So the Forest Health and Community Wildfire Resilience Program is really aimed at improving the resilience of our forests and our communities to the increasing threat of wildfire. Funding for this program comes from the Climate Commitment Act. The way that we implement the Forest Health and Community Wildfire Resilience Program is through providing landowners with educational resources, funding opportunities, equipment, and access to things that allow them to take action on their properties to make their forests healthier and to be safer from wildfire. So there's two main components of this program. One piece is focused on managing for healthy forests that are going to be more resilient to wildfire, and the other piece is working at the homeowner and neighborhood scale to help property owners make their structures and their landscaping safer for wildfire. The forest health portion of the program, it's really mostly focused on improving the vigor of the forest and the ability for that forest to withstand a wildfire without it being catastrophic. The projects are focused on reducing the amount of flammable fuels within the forest, doing things like pruning and removing ladder fuels, which are fuels that create like a continuous ladder from the ground up into the larger trees. So we're reducing the ability for fire to spread essentially in those forests. And the healthier a forest, the more resilient it's going to be to wildfire. For the community resilience portion of the program, it's really more focused on structures and maybe neighborhoods sometimes. One of the services that this program provides is spending one-on-one time with homeowners and helping them understand the risks of wildfire specific to their property and the actions they can take to reduce that risk. Sometimes those actions are on an individual property and are things like making your structure more fire resistant by using more fire resistant building materials, looking at like maybe the landscaping and the relationship of the vegetation to the structures. And then that can also be applied at a neighborhood or community scale where neighbors learn to work together to address the shared risks of wildfire among the neighborhood.